Hey there, today we're going to look at how to convert an image to a video in Canva. So let's get started. First, open Canva and head to the homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Video to create a new blank video design. After that, add a background. Go to the Elements tab on the left, and under the Videos section, search for a background you like. Once you find one, right-click on it and choose Set Video as Background. Then adjust the duration of the page by scrolling down to the bottom timeline and reducing the time to about 5 seconds. Next, click on the 3 dots on the page thumbnail and select Duplicate Page to add more content in the same style. Now, head back to the Elements tab and search for a garden image or any photo you want to use. Drag it onto the page. After that, click on Text. From the left menu, choose Add a Heading and type in your text. You can adjust the font, size, and color from the toolbar at the top. To make your video more dynamic, click on the text and select Animate at the top. Choose an animation style you like. You can do the same for your images. Repeat these steps on additional pages to add more images, text, and animations until your video is complete. Once you're done, click on Preview at the top to see your video. If you're satisfied, click Share, then Download to save your video to your device. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.